So in this video, we'll guide you through how you can see the WhatsApp messages via API Webhook. First, you can copy your webhook URL in which you want all the inbound and outbound WhatsApp messages. Now go to the webhook section. Now for the reference and for testing, we'll see how you can see the messages in webhook. Click on the link given below. Copy this webhook curl. Likewise, you can integrate your webhook URL. Go to the message 91 panel. Copy the webhook URL over here. Click on the right button. And it will automatically integrate the webhook URL. After which your webhook is successfully integrated, now you can see all the messages in this webhook in this form. And after successful messages sent, you can go to the webhook and see all the messages. Now in this webhook, you can see all the details of the message and all the responses. Thank you.